class we have seen the equation of pair of tangents. So that is given by ss1 equal to t square, where s is equation of our conic and s1 denotes the equation of the conic through the point x1 y1. So we are having a pair of tangents from the point x1 y1, and t is the equation of the tangent. So that is ax x1 plus h xy1 plus x1y plus b yy1, then g x plus x1 plus f y plus y1 plus c. Now in today's class we will look at what is called a director circle. Now by director circle we mean that is in general the locus of point of intersection of pair of perpendicular tangents. So suppose you are having a conic, for example, you are having an ellipse. Okay, consider two tangents of the ellipse such that they are intersecting perpendicularly. Okay. So here the angle of intersection between them is 90 degree. So ഇങ്ങനെയുള്ള എല്ലാ ടാൻജൻസും കളക്ട് ചെയ്യുക. So you can have, say, this will intersect at right angle. Now you have these points of intersection. Here you have a point, then here you have a point. So you can see that it will actually points ഒരു circle contained ആയിരിക്കും. So that circle is called as the director circle. So the locus of point of intersection of pair of perpendicular tangents to a conic, so that will be a circle, and that circle is called as a director circle. Now in the case of parabola, it will not be a circle, we will be getting a straight line which represents the locus. So in the case of circle, ellipse and hyperbola, we will be getting a director circle. So let us look at the definition. So this is the general meaning. So we are interested in finding the locus of points of intersection of pair of perpendicular tangents and let us define the director circle. So if the locus of the points of intersection of pair of perpendicular tangents to a conic is a circle, then that circle is called the director circle of the conic. So if the locus of point of intersection perpendicular tangents turns out to be a circle, then the circle is called the director circle. Now first let us look at the director circle for a conic, which is a circle. So let us consider x square plus y square equal to a square. Now the equation of pair of tangents from x1 y1 to the circle is, so that is ss1 equal to t square. So s will be x square plus y square minus a square. S1 is going to be x1 square plus y1 square. That's the equation of the conic itself. Circle equation തന്നെ വരും. A square equal to t value will be x1 plus y1 minus a square. So that is the equation of pair of tangents. From the equation of pair of tangents, we can find the angle between the pair of tangents. Angle 90 degree ആവുമ്പോൾ the coefficient of x square plus coefficient of y square will be equal to 0. So we will be using this result for finding the equation of the director circle, or the equation of the locus. So if we'll write down the result. So if the pair of tangents intersect at right angles, then coefficient of x square plus coefficient of y square is equal to 0. So we will be using this for finding the equation of the locus of the points of intersection. Now let us look for the coefficient of x square and y square. So coefficient of x square will be x square coefficient another x1 square plus y1 square minus a square and here you have x1 square minus x1 square it's a coefficient of x square plus coefficient of y square is again x1 square plus y1 square minus a square minus y1 square. So that will be equal to 0. From here x1 square will cancel off, y1 square will cancel off. So we are going to get x1 square plus y1 square is equal to 2a square. Now x1, y1 is any point such that the tangents are intersecting at right angles. So the locus of this point will be locus of the for any such point x1, y1 will satisfy this equation. So the locus of x1, y1 will be, you can replace x1 and y1 by x and y. So you will get x square plus y square equal to 2a square. So therefore the locus of x1, y1 is x square plus y square equal to 2a square, which is the equation of the director circle. So when you are having a circle x square plus y square equal to a square. So if you have a circle of radius a, then the director circle will have radius root 2a. So they will be concentric circles. So one has radius a, the other will have radius root 2. Now let us look in the case of parabola. So consider the parabola with the equation y square equal to 4ax, and equation of pair of tangents is so that will be y square minus 4ax into y1 square. So that is ss1 equal to t square. y1 square minus 4a x1 equal to, make tangent equation y1 minus 2a x plus x1 whole square. Now coefficient of x square plus coefficient of y square will be equal to 0. So that will give coefficient of x square ഇവിടെ 4a square വരും, അപ്പോൾ minus 4a square, and here coefficient of y square will be plus y1 square minus 4a x1. ഒരു minus y1 square വരും, coefficient of y square എടുക്കുമ്പോൾ this one also will come y1 square. So that is equal to 0. ഇത് രണ്ടും cancel out. So that is going to give, so minus 4a also will cancel out, so we will get x1 plus a equal to 0. So hence the locus of x1 y1 is x plus a equal to 0. So it is, so for the parabola y square equal to 4ax x plus a equal to 0 എന്ന് പറയുന്നത് ഡയറക്ട്രിക്സ് ആണ്. So ഡയറക്ട്രിക്സ് of the parabola. So therefore the points of intersection of perpendicular tangents lie on directrix. So that is in the case of parabolas. In case of parabola, we are not getting a circle. So let us look at the third case when you have an ellipse. So let us take x square by a square plus y square by b square equal to 1. We have s1. So s1 equal to t square. So that gives x square by a square plus y square by b square minus 1 into x1 square by a square plus y1 square by b square minus 1 equal to, you get x1 by a square plus y1 by b square minus 1 whole square. So when we take coefficient of x square plus coefficient of y square, so that is going to be equal to coefficient of x square എടുക്കുമ്പോൾ 1 by a square, so that is 0. So 1 by a square x1 square by a square plus y1 square by b square minus 1 plus ഇവിടുന്ന് റൈറ്റ് സൈഡിൽ നിന്ന് വരും minus x1 square by a raised to 4 വരും. Then coefficient of y square is 1 by b square into x1 square by a square plus y1 square by b square minus 1 minus y1 square by b raised to 4. So this is equal to 0. So upon simplifying, you will get, so y1 square by a square b square minus 1 by a square then plus x1 square by a square b square minus 1 by b square equal to 0. So that is, so multiplying throughout by a square b square, so you get y1 square plus x1 square equal to a square plus b square. So therefore the locus of x1 y1 is x square plus y square equal to x square plus